Hi traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys must be doing very well. This is a weekly Forex forecast for the upcoming week starting from Monday 12th of February 2024. So tell me everyone, how is it going? I hope you must be taking some nice and sensible trading decisions. I'm really sorry I couldn't upload any weekly Forex forecast video last week due to some family commitments. I didn't get a chance. So without wasting further time, let's jump into the chart. I want to discuss these pairs: euro dollar, gold, dollar yen, index, pound dollar, and pound yen. And if I get a chance and if I have time, definitely I will be discussing these other pairs as well. If you want any analysis of any pair, please let me know in the comment section down below, and I'm so sure enough I will be making a video about that. So let's have a look at this chart. First of all, this is euro US dollar, and believe me everyone, in my videos I don't give you just the forecast, but I try to teach you new concepts because most of the traders having problems understanding these patterns and these structures. So my videos are not just forecast videos, but these are educational videos, and if you are a regular trader and if you trade on regular basis, I'm sure enough these videos will be bringing some positive changes into your trading career. So today I also want to discuss my strategy a little bit because I think it needs to be discussed. Like after every 6-7 months, I discuss my strategy. So those new beginner traders who join my rally, who join my trading channel, so that they get an idea about on which strategy I'm trading. So let's have a look at this euro US dollar. First of all, I want to give you a little bit of a recap. This whole story we are following all the way from right here, most of you will remember, in October, and this was a very fantastic trend change. So those long-term buying opportunities that we took, most of them are closed near 1.09673. So these traders, just have a look at it, how much profit in like 2-3 months, in the longer run, how much profit this whole really gave us. Now what after that, obviously it gave this unexpected impulsive wave. Why I'm focusing on the impulsive wave? Because I have to discuss impulsive waves in detail today. So right here, when the market gave us this impulsive wave, what it did is it was supposed to come back down, and it did. So we made profits out of this rally as well, and it was supposed to continue back up. We have got a break of structure, and even if we took a buy position right here, the market was giving us another chance to leave the trade. So those who left the trade, those who are sensible trader, I'm so sure enough, those traders must have left this buy trade. Otherwise, even if this tiny stop loss is hit, that's not a very big problem. And you have to tell yourself these things, why this is not a big problem. Because just have a look at this stop loss and just have a look at this whole take profit zone. So obviously the take profit was big enough and the stop loss was tiny enough. If you stick to this concept, I am so sure enough you will be making lots and lots of profit. So this is something about the past, and definitely a sell trade that we get towards 1.07561. Right here you can see when the price was up there, all the way from right here 1.12565. When the price was up there, I predicted this whole move, then a Fibonacci correction and the drop. So the drop, 1.07561, we have successfully achieved it. Now let's get back to the original thing, and I want to discuss strategy with all of you. This is my strategy and I trade with it almost from like 2016. All of the journey is present on my channel. So I want to delete everything, and I just want to draw your attention to the impulsive waves today. What you have to do is you have to do nothing, but you have to just switch to the daily time frame, monthly time frame, weekly time frame. In this situation, if I tell you, most of you will be thinking that okay, what is going next. First of all, just have a look at this thing. When you will be working, you will have two impulsive wave. One will be pointing in one direction, the other will be in another direction. I just want to explain it to you. If you see, this is an impulsive wave, most of you know, and obviously there will be traders who think if this is an impulsive wave and this is a valid one, no hard and fast rule, its 61.8% retracement is almost like we can say achieved. So it means the market is standing at a very key level. Right now, what's next? This is obviously the bullish impulsive wave right here. But what after that? We also have got a very tiny impulsive wave, another one right here. And also the thing that you will need is just a support zone. We have to mark our support zone so that we at least know that okay, this is our reversal area. Now long-term buyers, remember, they will be taking buying opportunities. Maybe the market slow down right here a little bit or something like that. Obviously everyone needs a confirmation, and here I want to tell you is that confirmations are very much important, my friends. If you are not working on if then thought process, then I think those traders who don't do it, they will fed up and may unfortunately I have to say it, but may end up in losses. So two impulsive like we have, and the first is simply you have to do nothing. If you want to take a sell position, what you have to do is, if you want to join this downward rally, you have to wait for 61.8% retracement. This is it. Is it any difficult, my friends? No, it should not be difficult. So it will be pointing like this, and let's say you have marked this level right here, 1.09904. When the price will be right here, we will be deciding whether we need to take a sell trade right here or not. So currently this is at a buy point right here, and that will be the selling point for that, right? And this is a very major support all the way from December 2023, and this is like almost February, so 2-3 months worth of data, and that's too much to identify that okay, this is now going to be an impulsive wave. So impulsive wave and a 61.8% retracement, and what we are going to do is we are going to take a sell trade. Very simple, right? This is my strategy. Find an impulsive wave, wait for a correction, and enter at 61.8% retracement. This much simple it is. Moving on to the gold US dollar, and right here I also want to discuss this whole thing with all of you, and that is first of all, right here I'm on a daily time frame, and if you see this the chart a little bit, pause the video and just see. Can you please find me an impulsive wave right here? Can you? There will be several, will be several, but especially on this daily time frame, can you see any sort of impulsive wave that can be working very nicely? So the first thing is right here we had an impulsive leg, and if you see this one, this was an impulsive leg, this was a 61.8% retracement, and this was the TP zone, but unfortunately it cannot completed this ABCD pattern, which means gold for some time will be ranging in between these two zones. So on the daily, once you identify your resistance zones and your support zones, what you have to do is, so resistance is done and now support is going to be right here. This is support 2, I should say. This is support 1. So now everything is, see, like step by step we are trying to understand the chart. So if these are the resistance level, this is the support level, what the market is going to do next? The market is going to do next, let's have a look at that. This is an impulsive like 61.8% retracement right here, a little bit of drawdown, and see how much profit it gave. Even discussed several weeks ago, and 492 pips it gave. Similarly, from there till here, around 400 pips it gave. So this is not very difficult, but I'm not sure why the traders are not able to understand it very nicely. If we see, the market also gave us a very nice signal that it's going down, and there is still a possibility that the market is going to retest 1960. Now most of you will remember this 1980. In my weekly forex forecast videos I have discussed it several times, and I highly focused on this 1980 level, that if you can buy something, definitely take it. And those who listen to me will have now around more than like 1000 pips of profit just from gold alone. And similarly the sell. So buy sell in zones, there is nothing very difficult in this, but the traders have to trade without emotions. If there is greed, if there is impatience, if there is any those other stuff, then I think most of the traders end up in having some losses. Unfortunately, I want to say this, I don't want to say it, but I want to be fair enough with the audience and with everyone who is watching me right now, because this is your money, and wherever money comes in, wherever the finances are involved, believe me, it will have emotions, it will have all of those things. So in such situations you definitely need a mentor, and if you want my services, here is my WhatsApp number. You can contact me, and I am sure enough I can make you a very good trader, and I'm sure enough within a very short span of time you will be making good profits. But you have to follow each and every step that I will be giving you in the course. The course is usually one-on-one on Zoom, and followed by a WhatsApp group as well. So now move on to another pair, and this one is the dollar yen. So on the dollar yen, if you see, like when I tell you you have to wait for the market, it means whenever the market go against you, it means you have to take a decision very nicely. Why you have to take that decision very nicely, let me explain it to you by deleting this stuff. First of all, a very fantastic trade I took it. So market right here was supposed to be bouncing off from 147 146. It did not. It did not, rather it created its own support right here, if you can see. And just have a look at it. Even on the H4, if I show you, this is a clear Fibonacci 61.8% retracement trade. Not just one, but several Fibonacci trades we have got in this up really, and this is actually my strategy. So all of the buy positions we are keep buying, closed right here. We went for an attempt to sell right here. On this confirmation, the market did not went very well against us, and hence we lost how much? We just lost 200 pips right here. But how much we made all the way from right here? Around 400 pips we have generated from right here. So is it any bad from right here? You just counted 290 pips, and like almost we can say right here, if we have lost something, that was not a very big loss. So it doesn't mean we have to let's say it hit our stop loss, we will be entering right here as a buy. No, the market will come back down, will take us out from the market. And if you fall in this trap, buying and selling at very bad prices, you will be mentally like stuck somewhere, and every decision the trader takes will not be very nice and fantastic. Believe me, right? On the basis of my personal experience, I'm telling you this now. So once the market gave us a signal that okay, it's not going to reverse, what is going to happen is Fibonacci. We have to also see the Fibonacci. Just like I have told you, there are two impulsive waves. right? And there is a very quick technique that you can identify the impulsive legs for that. So now if this really clearly indicates a double top up there, and after a double top this definitely will be showing us a 154.918 something like this, and definitely I will be taking some sell positions right here. Till then I just don't want to touch it. I want to see it further near 152, and then I will be taking any decision if I think I need to trade it. Dollar index right here, so it breaks into the support above 103. For like 2-3 months I kept discussing this, and even it hit the TPs right here near 100 zone, those who trade index with me, and is clearly going back up. Why it is going back up? Let me show you a very simple thing. It's going back up because there is a very nice Fibonacci retracement right here. Just have a look at it and see the market exactly hit 104.634. It was around 105, something like that. Most of you will remember from my previous videos, and obviously the market did that. So what is for the future? Definitely I will be planning to take some buy positions right here at a price zone of 102.160. So that is going to be like it. The market by then will be showing something like this to me, an ABCD pattern completion towards 106. So is it any difficult? No, my friends, it's not difficult. This is us who make things complicated for ourselves. If you are one of the person who make things complicated for yourself, then I'm really sorry. You need a mentor. Definitely you need one. Not it doesn't mean you have to hire me for your services, but you definitely need a mentor to learn, right? Every cricketer, every footballer, every pilot, every field has coach, right? If you are a footballer there will be a coach, if you are a cricketer there will be a coach. So you have to work under the observation of some experienced person. So 102.160 is the dollar index that's showing me towards 106.178, and let's see what it's going to do. So after that, once it completes it right here, 102.160, most of the profits we must have got from the market, and then we will be planning for fresh buying opportunities right here. So everywhere you will see 61.8% retracement. This is us, we have to trade it, right? Now pound dollar is very interesting, and why it is interesting, I'm not going to run a new analysis on it, but you just have a look at it, how much profit it gave us in the previous 2 months, like all the way from 27th November, so like December, January, and half of February. This zone has given us a lot of profits. 61.8% retracement completion, 61.8% retracement completion, 61.8% retracement completion, triple bottom. Even last week I was not available for the weekly forex forecast video, but before that, in that video I gave you this particular setup. This was the TP, then a sell from 1.27475. Is it any difficult? No, my friends, but you have to trust yourself, you have to trust your analysis, you have to trust your learnings, so that you can learn more and more and more. So as pound dollar is ranging at the moment, definitely since we have made a lot of profit, so I think this one, the stop loss for this one, move it to break even, and let's see 1.27475 and 1.26654 for the TPs and for fresh trading opportunities. Now pound yen, let's see if there is anything special about it so that I can discuss. This sell I gave, it worked very nicely, and here is a previous impulsive leg that got failed right here. So those of you then ask me that how do we identify correct impulsive wave? I want to tell you that as well on the pound yen chart. Why I didn't trade it? This, first of all, it was supposed to come back down from here. Okay, this was the actual pattern for it. It did not did that, and it gave us a breakout. So what does that mean? Stopped by this resistance, it stopped, and even right here stopped by this support, and it tried to went back up, but this level is not yet broken. So there the pound USD is ranging right here, and here the pound yen is also ranging. And even if we see the yen pair, still it is no doubt bullish, but in the upcoming week I don't think so it will be giving us so much big jumps. Maybe it can jump up to 152. So same is the case right here on the daily time frame. Yes, there is one thing, and there is one possible sell opportunity that we can avail, but obviously that will need some patience. I want to tell you why the market bounces off from right here. First of all, I want to tell you this, so that if there is any sort of confusion in your mind, it will not be anymore. Just have a look at it. 61.8% retracement. You see the market bounced off from here. So in such situation, this is a bullish pattern, and in the bullish pattern, this is going to show me in the upcoming week like this. So 191.395 the pound a yen is showing me at the moment. If we see that on the weekly, well, yes, the weekly candle closed very nicely, and if the next candle come back down, re-enter into the rally near 187, somewhere towards 191, good profit margin can be generated from right here. And this candle is also a failure candle for these pairs. So let's see what the next week brings to us. Dollar CAD, even I gave several signals on my other profiles as well, to other in the group as well. So dollar CAD, let me delete everything and let's find a very fresh impulsive wave right here. I don't want to make things so much complicated. See this impulsive leg, I have clearly identified it, most of you will know. And what is going to happen next? Obviously I will be waiting for a correction towards 61.8% retracement to go further long, or if this is broken to the top, I think if that is tradable I will trade it, otherwise I will remain. Be patient towards 1.33220. Those who took it from right here, congratulations. Those who took it from right here, still congratulations. There is an ABCD pattern, there is also, I want to draw your attention to that. If it did not stop, definitely it will also be trying to retest 1.36179. So the dollar CAD buying from 1.33220, selling from 1.36179 in the upcoming week. If prices are luckily going to be touching these levels, I'm going to appear those, my trades will appear right here near these zones. I may most likely be trading. And why these zones? Because I run my analysis over it. If the market is giving me these conditions, I enter into the trade. Very simple, very easy this method is, but all I need is your attention. You have to watch the videos in full, and you have to give me a lot of feedback so that I can continue uploading these videos on regular basis. Even on daily basis, I'm trying to at least cover 2-3 pairs, so my day trader brothers can also make good profits. Again, I'm showing you my number, and if anyone is interested to become a full-time and successful forex trader, do contact me, and it will be a very fantastic journey together. Thank you so much everyone for being here with me. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.